Hi, Angela here from new Mama Kit Gift Hampers. I'm going to talk you through the summer birth recovery hamper. So we've got maternity pads, essential if she's in hospital or newly birthed, cesarean or vaginal birth. Some beautiful affirmation cards. So if she's feeling all the feels on the black side, she simply turns it over and gets reassured. There's 3 kinds there. No nasties chewing gum if she doesn't have time to brush her teeth. Of course, the new mum cannot go without some beautiful milk chocolate, New Zealand made. Puka Love tea. It's a beautiful herbal blend and it can be enjoyed as an iced tea in summer or hot as a beautiful soothing drink. Metamucil, so no doubt she's done enough pushing for the time being, so this will help keep her digestion in check if she's just birthed. These condoms are for making padsicles, so that's a really easy way to keep the perineum cool, and even the cesarean scar, use it as an ice pack, really handy. A beautiful scented candle. French pear, gets rid of baby poo smells and just adds a nice ambience to the mum's home. So particularly great for summer, a cotton face cloth, so she can dampen that. You can dampen that and keep yourself cool. Otherwise it's a nice layer, a nice soft layer in between you and the newborn if it's a particularly hot sticky day. We love this one. This features in a lot of our hampers. It's just a simple recycled notebook and pen. Handy for writing down what time you last breastfed or what your baby's name is if you can't remember that. Beautiful tinted lip balm, so if the mum decides to go and interact with other humans, she might want to feel a bit special and throw on some lip balm. Lastly, and most importantly for the summer birth recovery hamper, is a one-handed drink bottle. So you only need one hand if you're feeding or nursing or doing other things, but you can stay hydrated and sip away with that. That's 900 ml drink bottle. So that is the summer birth recovery hamper. Thanks.